Hi, this is Indranil and you are watching Business Bites in our channel The Spotlight, India's first online business news channel. In today's Business Bites, first news we have Novo Nordisk aims to hit $1 billion sales in India with their blockbuster weight loss drug Wegovy in 5 to 7 years. Second news we have FMCG major Colgate-Palmolive India to launch more global brands in Indian market. Third news we have stockbroking platform Zerodha acquired minority stake in InCred Holdings through a 250 crore worth share purchase. Fourth news we have Firmeasy founders launched new startup All Home while Amazon India enters at-home diagnostic market. And fifth news we have deep tech startup Fabheads raised $10 million in their recent round of funding. In first news, Novo Nordisk aims to hit $1 billion sales in India with their blockbuster weight loss drug Wegovy in 5 to 7 years. Danish drug giant Novo Nordisk is aiming to hit $1 billion, that is around 8,600 crore sales in India with its blockbuster weight loss drug Wegovy with the molecule semaglutide in 5 to 7 years. To reach that target, the company is building on a comprehensive go-to-market strategy with setting the base for an unrestricted pan-India launch, which is expected shortly. The achievement of that goal in India, which ranks third in obesity numbers after the US and China, will shatter the record for prescription brand sales. Study shows India has 254 million people with generalized obesity and 351 million with abdominal obesity. Novo Nordisk sales targets stem from its estimate that a significant proportion of them are potential users of such drugs, given the benefits to the heart, liver and kidneys. According to the market sources, presently Keytruda, which is a breakthrough anti-cancer drug from MSD India, is currently the number one in prescription brands with annual revenue exceeding 1,600 crore. Last year, global sales for Wegovy stood at $8 billion, while Ozempic, the same drug but officially approved for type 2 diabetes, amounted to $17 billion. With a deeply embedded presence in the insulin market, Novo Nordisk dominates with a 62% share of the 4,943 crore market despite competition from lower priced products when the launch of Wegovy is being keenly awaited by doctors and patients. In second news, FMCG major Colgate-Palmolive India to launch more global brands in Indian market. Colgate-Palmolive India plans to introduce more brands from the company's global portfolio to upscale its play in India, which is one of the drivers for its growth. When the company is having their presence in the country with two brands, Colgate and Palmolive, which are currently operate in the oral care and personal care. Palmolive brand, which is currently operating in the personal care space with a premium body wash and hand wash range, have a tremendous potential to grow at 20 to 30% CAGR, and the company now considering to extend the brand Palmolive in new segments as they have a lot of product portfolio that is available globally. Colgate-Palmolive India Limited, which has been operating in India for the last 88 years, currently contributes around 4 to 5% of the global revenue of the New York City-based multinational consumer product major Colgate-Palmolive Company. When India, with its over 1.4 billion population, is an important market of Colgate's global strategy and is now among 5 markets which are called out as being the drivers of growth. And the company is expecting India to add more middle-class people in the next few years than any other country in the world. And that gives the company opportunity to grow in different verticals with a wide range of products. In third news, stockbroking platform Zerodha acquired minority stake in InCred Holdings through a 250 crore worth share purchase. Nikhil and Nithin Kamath, co-founders of stockbroking platform Zerodha, have acquired a minority stake in InCred Holdings, which is the holding company of non-banking financial company InCred Financial Services, through a 250 crore share purchase. India's credit ecosystem is changing fast by being more formal, more digital, and more accessible, where InCred Group have built a strong team, a technology-first approach, and a clear view of where the market is headed. InCred Group, founded in 2016 by Bhupinder Singh, which operates three key verticals: Credit Finance, which focuses on consumers, small and medium enterprises, and education lending; InCred Capital, which offers wealth and investment banking services to high net worth individuals and institutions; and InCred Money, which provides fixed deposits and alternative investment products to retail investors. While in 2022, InCred Finance merged with KKR India Financial Services and created a unified NBFC platform under the InCred Finance. The investment from Zerodha comes as InCred prepares for a potential 4,000 crore initial public offering and will be joining a growing list of tech-led financial services firms eyeing the public markets. The development also follows its wealth management arm, InCred Money, marked its entry into the retail broking space through the acquisition of discount broking platform Stoco. In fourth news, Firmeasy founders launched new startup All Home, while Amazon India enters at-home diagnostic market. Three founders of digital pharmacy firm Easy, Dharmil Sheth, Dhaval Shah, and Hardik Dedia, have launched their new venture All Home in the architectural and interior design space, where All Home will partner with brands in the space by investing in them and offering them capabilities such as technology support, internet-led manufacturing and distribution, and market insights. All the founders have stepped away from operational role at Firmeasy in January, when the formal move out from Firmeasy's daily operations for the three founders earlier this year also coincided with the e-pharmacy platform reviving its plan to go public 2 years after it withdrew its first attempt at an initial public offering. On the other side, Amazon India is expanding its healthcare ambitions by entering the at-home diagnostic market, as they are looking to position Amazon as a comprehensive medical services platform beyond online pharmacy and teleconsultation. The e-commerce major has partnered with Orange Health Lab to launch its diagnostic offering, enabling home sample collection within 60 minutes and test results in under 6 hours for routine tests. This launch comes months after Amazon Sambhav Venture Fund led a $12 million funding round in Orange Health Labs in December 2024. Amazon has introduced this service across 6 cities, which are Bangalore, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Mumbai, and Hyderabad, by covering over 450 pin codes. And in fifth news, deep tech startup Fabheads raised $10 million in their recent round of funding. Composite manufacturing technology startup Fabheads, co-founded by Mr. Dinesh Kanagaraj, has raised $10 million in its latest funding round, which was led by Excel and also saw participation from Trifecta Capital. Out of this total funding, $2.3 million, that is around 20 crore, was raised through debt funds from Trifecta Capital, and the balance is in equity. When the latest funding round brings the total funding raised by the Chennai-based startup to $13 million. The company is going to utilize the funds to scale their manufacturing capacity, expanding the leadership team, and to strengthen their client-facing engineering as well as research and development divisions. The company Fabheads is planning for setting up a bigger manufacturing factory in Karnataka, which will be between 80,000 to 1 lakh square feet in size, and is already in the process of being made, and it's expected to be completed by next 6 months, where they are looking to have over 70 big machines, when currently the startup has its office and factory only in Chennai with 13 machines. So these were the top 5 business newses from Business Bytes in our channel The Spotlight, India's first online business news channel. I would like to request you to please subscribe this channel so that you can have all the updates from our end. Thank you very much for watching Business Bytes, and signing it off.